Today we will solve problems on formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Okay, let us take one problem on that. Z is equal to A into log of x square plus y square plus B. Okay, and here A and B are the arbitrary constants. And now our intention is to remove arbitrary constants to form the PDE. Okay, and if it is not possible to remove A and B, you need to find out one substitution for A and B. Otherwise, substitution for the term which contains arbitrary constants. Okay, these 3 points to be remembered. And now to write the solution, you write z is equal to A into log of x square plus y square plus b, call it as equation number 1, and differentiate 1 partially with respect to x and y. Okay, and now partial differentiation with respect to x, if we take left hand side will be del z by del x, nothing but p is equal to A as it is, differentiation of log x formula to be applied. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. In the place of x you have x square plus y square, write the same. And by chain rule, differentiation of x square to be written, it is 2x, and with respect to x, y is constant, so differentiation is 0, plus b is arbitrary constant, so differentiation will be 0. So you will get p is equal to 2ax divided by x square plus y square, and on cross multiplication you can write as 2ax is equal to p of x square plus y square. Okay, now b is already removed, and next we need to remove this e to write the PDE. Okay, for that you call it as equation 2, and then you consider differentiation of 1 partially with respect to y. So LHS will be del z by del y is equal to A constant as it is, again log x, differentiation of log x formula 1 by x, and by chain rule differentiation of y square is 2y, and this x is constant with respect to y, so differentiation is 0, and differentiation of b is also 0. Okay, now you got q is equal to 2ay divided by x square plus y square. On cross multiplication you will get 2ay is equal to q of x square plus y square, and here also b is removed, and you are calling this as equation number 3. And in 2 and 3 you need to remove a. Okay, and for that you divide equation 2 by 3. So easily you can cancel 2a here, and in the RHS you can cancel x square plus y square. So answer will be xy divided by p by q. On cross multiplication you will get py minus qx is equal to 0. So arbitrary constants we removed, and we have written partial differential equation for the given problem. Okay, now coming to second problem, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to r square, and here a and b are the arbitrary constants. And the same concept to be recalled now. We need to remove a and b, or else we need to find out substitution for a and b, otherwise substitution for the term which contains arbitrary constant. Okay, now to write the solution, write the given expression x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to r square, call it as 1, differentiate 1 partially with respect to x, so you will get x minus a whole square differentiation as 2 into x minus a. Okay, by applying x square differentiation, by writing x square differentiation as 2x. Okay, so in the same way x minus a whole square differentiation is 2 into x minus a, plus differentiation of y with respect to x will be 0, as with respect to x y will be constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, and in the third term z is a function of x and y, so you need to differentiate with respect to x, so it will be 2z into del z by del x, and del z by del x to be written as p. Okay, is equal to r square is there, differentiation of r square is 0. So on simplification you will get x minus a plus zp is equal to 0, and we got one substitution for the term which contains arbitrary constant, x minus a is equal to minus zp. This you are calling as equation number 2. Okay, and now consider partial differentiation of 1 with respect to y. So in the LHS you will get you have x minus a whole square which is a constant with respect to y, so differentiation will be 0. Coming to second term, differentiation is 2 into y minus b plus z square is there, and z is a function of x and y, so differentiation will be 2z into del z by del y. Okay, del z by del y to be written as q is equal to r square is there, so differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, and now on simplification, y minus b is equal to minus zq. Again you got a substitution for the term which contains one more arbitrary constant, y minus b, that you are calling as 3. Okay, and now directly you substitute 2 and 3 in equation number 1, as you got the substitution for x minus a and y minus b. So on substitution and taking z square common, you will get z square of p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to r square, and this is the partial differential equation for the given problem. Okay, and you try these two.